A widening interest rate gap between India and the US, as the Federal Reserve has been aggressively raising rates to battle inflation, has been the main factor pushing the Indian rupee to record lows. And the Indian currency is unlikely to recover anytime soon, following another rate hike in the US, experts say. There are forecasts that it could weaken beyond the all-time low past 83 that it hit last month.
I don't expect that the rupee will strengthen from here. I think rupee has a good chance of weakening to about 85 to a dollar from the current 83 because we simply don't have the flows. And RBI has spent about $100 billion in trying to defend the rupee without much success.
The rupee has fallen more than 10% against the dollar this year. The slide has prompted the central bank, the Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, to tap into its dollar reserves to try to support the currency. But there's a limit to how long it can keep doing this.
Rupee has not fallen to the extent the other emerging market currencies or even developed market currencies has fallen. So I think there is some catch up there which could take place over the next 3 months.
This poses an additional challenge when it comes to inflation, which hit a 5-month high in India in September. The cost of imported goods such as crude oil becomes more expensive as the currency weakens, and this also weighs on India's current account deficit. The RBI is holding a special meeting on Thursday after breaching its upper inflation target of 6% for 3 consecutive quarters. It has to explain its failure to keep inflation in check to the government and its plan of action to bring inflation under control. India's stock markets have rallied recently on expectations that the Federal Reserve could slow the pace of interest rate hikes going forwards. But stocks edged lower on Wednesday as investors awaited the Fed's decision and statement. But many analysts expect India's equity markets to continue to rise, helped by strong inflows from retail and institutional investors. Rebecca Bundhun, CNA, Mumbai.